Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will share with you my recipe for delicious creamy pasta. Here are the ingredients: ricotta, butter, garlic salt, celery leaves, oregano, tomato sauce, black pepper, ground beef, rigatoni pasta, onion, garlic. Put the rigatoni pasta in boiling water with salt and oil for 10 to 12 minutes per box instructions, then rinse it with cold water and set aside. Then heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Sauté the 8 cloves of diced garlic. And 1 small diced onion. Add the 2 pounds of ground beef and mix with the onion and garlic. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. When the ground beef turns brown, add 1 cup of tomato sauce. And a little pasta water to clean out the tomato sauce container. Slowly add more pasta water, setting aside a cup for this dish. Add the cooked rigatoni pasta. and add ricotta optional. Then 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Mix well. After a few minutes, add a half stick of butter. Add the remaining pasta water from the cup. Mix well. Cover for a few minutes. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt. Ready to plate. Enjoy. You can add shaved Parmigiano Reggiano and garnish with celery leaves if you like. If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.